Making a AAA video game is a huge task. It takes a bunch of super talented people all working together to make it happen. From coming up with ideas to finishing touches, it's a journey full of excitement, creativity, and teamwork. Join us as we take a closer look at how games are made and discover the awesome work that goes on behind the scenes. The process of conceptualization and planning in AAA game development is akin to laying the foundation for a skyscraper. It's the stage where ideas are brainstormed, refined, and molded into a cohesive vision that will guide the entire project. This stage involves brainstorming sessions where developers throw around various concepts, themes, and gameplay mechanics. These ideas could be entirely new IPs or sequels to existing franchises. Developers draw inspiration from a variety of sources, including popular culture, literature, and real-world events. Before committing to a concept, developers conduct extensive market research to understand current industry trends, player preferences, and market demand. They analyze successful games in similar genres, identifying what worked well and what could be improved upon. Once a concept is chosen, developers define the target audience for the game. A clear vision statement is crafted to encapsulate the essence of the game. This statement serves as a guiding light throughout the development process, ensuring that every decision made aligns with the overall vision. Developers outline the core features and mechanics that will make up the game. Project managers work with the development team to create a detailed timeline for the project. This timeline includes milestones, deadlines, and key deliverables, helping to keep the project on track and within budget. Developers estimate the costs associated with various aspects of development, including salaries, equipment, software licenses, and marketing expenses. This helps ensure that the project remains financially viable. Before we continue, if you're enjoying the content, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's dive back in. With the concept solidified and the plan in place, the pre-production phase begins. This is where the groundwork for the game is laid, setting the stage for the rest of the development process. The Game Design Document, GDD, is a comprehensive document that outlines every aspect of the game, including its story, characters, gameplay mechanics, and art style. It serves as a reference for the entire development team, providing a clear roadmap for the project. Prototyping is a crucial part of pre-production, allowing developers to experiment with different ideas and mechanics. Artists create concept art to establish the visual style and atmosphere of the game. Writers work on developing the game's story, crafting engaging narratives and memorable characters. They create storyboards, scripts, and dialogue, weaving together the various elements of the game world into a cohesive whole. During pre-production, developers research and experiment with the technologies and tools that will be used to create the game. This includes game engines, graphics APIs, and middleware solutions. Production is where the magic happens. It's the phase where all the planning and preparation culminate in the creation of a fully playable game. Programmers write the code that brings the game to life. Programmers work closely with designers and artists to implement gameplay systems and features. Artists create the assets that populate the game world, including character models, animations, textures, and environmental props. They use specialized software like Maya, 3ds Max, and Substance Painter to create high-quality assets that meet the technical requirements of the game engine. Level designers are responsible for creating the environments and gameplay spaces that players will explore. They work closely with artists and programmers to bring their vision to life. Sound designers and composers create the audio elements of the game, including music, sound effects, and voiceovers. They use a combination of recorded sounds and synthesized audio to create immersive soundscapes that enhance the gameplay experience. Production is an iterative process, with developers constantly testing and refining the game as it takes shape. Playtesting sessions are conducted to gather feedback from real players, helping to identify issues and areas for improvement. Quality assurance, QA, is an essential part of the game development process, ensuring that the final product meets the highest standards of quality and polish. QA testers play through the game, meticulously searching for bugs, glitches, and other issues. They report their findings to the development team, who then work to fix them. QA testers test the game on various platforms and hardware configurations to ensure compatibility and performance. This includes consoles, PCs, and mobile devices, as well as different operating systems and hardware setups. For games with international releases, QA testers also perform localization testing to ensure that the game is properly translated and culturally appropriate for different regions. The journey doesn't end with the game's release. Developers continue to support the game post-launch, releasing updates, patches, and new content to keep players engaged. Marketing teams work to build hype around the game, releasing trailers, organizing press events, and engaging with the community on social media. The goal is to generate excitement and drive sales leading up to launch. On launch day, developers eagerly await player feedback as the game goes live. Developers continue to support the game post-launch, releasing updates and patches to address bugs and improve performance. Developers engage with the game's community, soliciting feedback and ideas for future updates. They plan for the long-term success of the game, considering factors such as sequels, spin-offs, and franchise expansions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.